Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are fine and safe. Topic of the day is blood. Today we are going to study about blood and its component. Do you know what is blood? How you will define it and what are the uses of blood and what are the components of blood? Today we are going to discuss this all. Today we are going to learn about components of blood, what is blood, what are the uses of blood. So starting with the definition of blood. So, basically, blood is a fluid that moves to our circulatory system. Blood is consists of four basic components. Do you know what these four components are? These are plasma, red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets. These are the four basic components. These are four basic components that are assigned very important functions which we are going to study now. The first one is plasma. Plasma is the main component of body. It usually consists of water, proteins, ions, mineral, nutrient, waste mixed, and everything. As you can see in the diagram, plasma consists of 50 to 55% of blood. Coming toward the function of the plasma, plasma help in transportation. It transport the digested food, carbon dioxide and other minerals from one part of the body to the other part of the body. So this is plasma, the main component of blood. Why this is main component of blood? Because of its composition. It is because it is 50 to 55% of the blood. Now coming toward our second component, that is red blood cells. Red blood cells are also known as erythrocytes. As you can see in the diagram, they are circular and biconcave. They appear to be very flexible and soft. They are made up of hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is actually a protein. Okay? Hemoglobin is a protein in the red blood cells that carry oxygen molecule. We can say that hemoglobin are the hands in the red blood cells that carry oxygen. Now the red blood cells give red color to the blood. So basically the color of the blood is red because of the red blood cells. Now coming to what the function of the red blood cells, they carry oxygen as I told you earlier. Red blood cells carry oxygen to the body and carbon dioxide away from it. So this is the basic function of red blood cells. There are two functions of red blood cells. The first one is that it give red color to the blood, and secondly that they carry oxygen to the body and carbon dioxide away from it. Our third component, white blood cells, as you can also see in the diagram, they are also known as leukocytes. Have you people ever heard about immune system? Yes, immune system that fight against germs and bacteria, that protect our body against all these pathogens. So white blood cells basically are involved in immune responses. They help the body to fight against germs. They are less common mean that they are less common than the red blood cells. The number of red blood cells are more than the white blood cells. They are involved in immune responses. They protect our body from all the germs and bacteria. These white blood cells, they protect our body. They are the defenders of our body. Now, they do not have any transportation role. Unlike plasma and red blood cells, they do not have any role in transportation. So our four component platelets. Platelets, the second name of platelets are thrombocytes. They help to clot and heal the wounds. The main function of platelet is they help to clot and heal the wounds. No role in transportation like white blood cells. They also do not have any role in the transportation. Let me highlight platelets in the diagram. As you can see, these are platelets. Here is our assignment. The question is name four components of blood. Explain function of each component. You already know the four components of blood. You have to explain the functions of each component.